two children being pushed into the mass grave by Israeli soldiers with a bulldozer, and then their cries being muffled by the dirt that was poured upon them while they were being buried alive. And then when the bodies were excavated, the red and green shirts of these kids, whose hands were tied behind their backs, were found. That type of monstrousness, that level of heinous behavior can only happen if your hatred is formulated by design from your birth.
I can see the very kind Dr. Perlmutter trying to grasp for a reason how anybody can be this monstrous, leading him to think that it has to be hatred that's driven into that person from birth, when in fact, I'm sorry to say, it is far more sinister. The next couple of minutes is from a documentary called Tentura. The two are going to be talking are Zionist war criminals that fought in 1948. They're recording this around 2020, and they are talking about what they did in those late 40s, early 50s.
הוא היה כפר עשיר, בתים יפים, גרים כמו אירופאים, אתה יודע, וגם אנשים היו לבושות ויפה, וזה באמת היה כפר... אחד אנס שם איזה ילדה בת 16, משהו כזה, אתה מבין? אבל זה מכוער מאוד, אספו כל הגברים. הם יושבים שם כולם על הרצפה, ובא מישהו ולוקח תת מקלע ומתחיל זה, ואמרו שלקחו את הלוויורים ורדפו אחרי חבר'ה ושרפו אותם. זה היה משהו זוועתי, וזה אסור לספר, אני לא אדבר על זה, כי זה יכול להיות סקנדל שלם מהעניין הזה. אני לא רוצה לדבר על זה, וזהו.
אם היה עומדת כיתה של זה, עם ידיים למעלה, אז באותו יום הייתי רואה אותי, הייתי קוצר את כולם, עד כדי כך.
כמה אתה חושב אנשים הרגת ככה?
לא ספרתי. אני לא יכול לדעת בחיי. היה לי מקלע עם 250 כדורים. ותראה, יריתי, נלחמתי כולם. אני לא יכול לספור.
So those criminals would not have been born on the hatred of Palestine and Palestinians. For all intents and purposes, they probably would not have even known who Palestinians were up until a few years before they committed their crime. Yet here they are, 60, 70 years later. I'm not going to say without a shred of regret, and they're laughing about it. If there was a real life Hannibal Lecter, that would be them. And those are not the only two. This is just a very short piece of the documentary. There's plenty of others like them.